Traditional captive portals force guests to manually authenticate every time they connect. Passpoint replaces this friction with automatic, cellular-like Wi-Fi roaming using 802.11mu and WPA3 enterprise encryption. Three foundations matter. IEEE 802.11u enables pre-association network discovery, letting devices query infrastructure before connecting. ANQP is the protocol devices use to discover services and roaming agreements. MAC address randomisation, now standard in modern mobile operating systems, generates temporary hardware addresses that break legacy re-authentication. Authentication by credential, not hardware. Passpoint authenticates the user's profile rather than their MAC address, solving the breakages caused by randomisation. Think of Passpoint as the vehicle and open roaming as the highway network. One is the device technology, the other is the global federation framework. Read the full guide at purple.a.